Bring your wrists directly underneath your shoulders and your hips right above your knees. Place your left palm in the center of your mat. Inhale, sweep your right hand up to the sky, look up to your thumb. Exhale, thread your right hand under your left arm, palm facing up. Bring your shoulder and head to the mat in thread the needle pose. Stay here for a few breaths. You can bring the palm of your left hand to your sacrum, or take hold of your right thigh to bind the pose and deepen the stretch in your left shoulder and across your chest. Inhale, draw your left shoulder back. Exhale, release the pose and come back up to all fours. Bring your right palm to the center of the mat. Inhale, sweep your left arm up to the sky, look up. Exhale, thread your left hand under your right arm. Bring your shoulder and head to rest on the mat. Completely relax here for a few breaths. Again, you can bring the palm of your right hand to your lower back, or take hold of your left thigh to bind the pose, taking care not to overstretch your top shoulder. Inhale, draw your right shoulder back. Exhale, release the pose and come back up to all fours.